What do you find difficult when you start learning German? Is it accusative? Is it dative? Or is it the articles? So German is divided into three articles: der, masculine; die, feminine; und das. Das is neutrum or neutral. Each noun has an article, and how do we define these articles? How do we come to say that this is feminine, this is neutral? So all of these are mostly decided by three factors. These are biologisches Geschlecht. Then the second one is the Bedeutung, the meaning of that word. And the last one is the Nachsilbe or the suffix. When I talk about der, that is the masculine one, who all comes in picture? The first of all, it is going to be for the männliche Personen, or it can also be for the männliche Berufe, right? So I can talk about their Vater, their Bruder, their Arzt, their Pilot. All of these are männliche Personen und Berufe. Talking about there, we have their Tageszeiten, everything, their Morgen, their Abend. All of these are going to be masculine. The only exception is going to be the na. Then we have the months. All the months are basically there, their Januar, their February. All the days of the week, the Wochentage, are also masculine. Their Montag, their Sonntag. Then we have the seasons, the Jahreszeiten, yeah, their Herbst, their Winter, their Sommer, they all are masculine. The Himmelrichtungen or the directions, their northern, their western, they all are masculine. Nextly, good news for our cars fan as well as alcohol fans. So these all are also there. I can say it as their Audi, their BMW, their VW. These all automarkens are there. Their alcohol, their wine is there, their Sekt is there. The only exceptional case over here is das Bier. Das Wetter, we say it, but all the weather are going to be there. We are going to say it as der Regen, der Schnee. Coming to the Endung, which are 95% of the time masculine, are Endungs with ish. Their Teppich. Ismus is one more Endung. It is called as the example with their Tourismus. And the Endung with ing or ing, their Frühling, are 95% of the time there. Apart from this, the Endung with er, like their Koffer, or en, like their Rasen, or ig, their Käfisch, they all are having there as an article. The Bäume und die Blume, they are also having the feminine article. The Rose, the Tulpe. We also have Flugzeuge, Boeing, F-16, they all are feminine. Apart from that, the Schiffe. Schiffe are the ships. Titanic is going to be feminine. And also the Motorräder. The bikes, the Yama, it is also going to be feminine. The three Endungs which are always going to be feminine are Heit, Kite und Schaft. The Freundschaft, the Wirklichkeit, the Krankheit, they all are feminine. Apart from that, we have some more ending like the 8, right? The Universität. They all are feminine, and we have IK ending and ION ending. IK is the clinic and ION could be the Lektion, the chapter what you guys read. Then we have IE ending, that is the Demokratie, and you are the Friseur. Thus, Neutrum is made up of mostly with the verbs, the nouns which are made from the verbs and also from the adjective like das Essen, das Fahren and also das Teuerste. The endings which follows it are shen and line. These are compulsorily going to be neutrum. So a young girl, she is a girl, but still we have the article das Mädchen because it ends with shen. Then we have line, das Kindlein. We also have endung, das Monument is also neutral. Then we have nis, das Ergebnis. We have TUM endung, das Datum or das Eigentum. They all are neutrum. We have with UM ending also das Zentrum. Believe it guys, apart from it, we have a lot of exceptional cases in German. But with these pointers, you will be able to identify almost 85 to 90% of the noun, that which articles are those. Do write me in the comment box which all exceptional cases you have found within your journey. Thank you. Danke.